Hello, my name is Dan Callan from Coherent. Let's take a look at the OBIS Galaxy, the new beam combiner from Coherent. The OBIS Galaxy from Coherent comes with 8 different inputs to combine the laser beams. These beams are brought in through fiber optics into the right side of the combiner. And from the left side of the combiner is a single output for the combined laser beams. These are all polarization maintaining single mode fibers. And today we'll be showing how easy it is to open the combiner, install or upgrade a laser for the OBIS plug-and-play simplicity. So there are 6 screws for the OBIS Beam Combiner that we need to take off to get into the combiner. The combiner itself has strain relief built into the box, so it's actually considerably smaller than this case. And we'll be able to see that when we get inside. The OBIS Galaxy Beam Combiner is sealed from the humidity and from the atmosphere. There is a gasket that goes all the way around the lid, and there are actually, you'll see desiccant packs inside the product. That's to remove any humidity from the installation of the fibers. Okay, the OBIS Galaxy, again with the 6 screws removed, the top lid will come off the unit. And you can see now the beam combiner and the fiber optic strain relief. So at the top left is the white output fiber. This is where all the beams get combined into a single output fiber. Here is the beam combiner itself. And here are the different input channels. So we have a total of 8 input channels for the OBIS Galaxy. First channel is 405 nanometers, which is violet. Second channel is 445 nanometers or 458 nanometers. You get to select at the time of order. The third channel is going to be the blue, 488 nanometers. And then we're going to jump to the red, 640 nanometers for this channel, and then orange at 590 nanometers. And then your 6th channel is a choice. It's either 552 or 561 nanometers. Again, choose at the time of order. The 7th channel is 532 nanometers. And the last channel, the 8th channel, is 514 nanometers. All these can be active laser channels, and they're all will be combined into the single laser output. Again, the beam combiner includes the hermetic sealing for humidity, and the strain relief is also included, and some desiccant packs to eliminate any humidity that might be introduced while we're doing the installation. Okay, the OBIS Galaxy again has the fibers and the strain relief included. There are 8 strain reliefs on the input channels, and there is also 1 strain relief on the output channel. What we want to do now is show the plug-and-play simplicity with the OBIS Galaxy, just how simple it is to add or install or upgrade a laser in the field. So the first step is we will get into the beam combiner. We are going to remove the strain relief from the fiber itself. Again, these are captured in the design, so that the strain relief doesn't have to be done by you, the customer. This is actually included in the beam combiner. So with 2 screws, it is possible to remove a small bridge that grabs the back of the cable. Small piece of aluminum here. And now the strain relief is removed. The second step is we will pull the fiber out. There is a rubber gasket, again for sealing against humidity. Now the fiber is loose, and now we simply loosen the FC connector, and if we pull the fiber out, now we can see how simple it is to remove and install a laser from the beam combiner. So again, it's just a simple FC connector to reinstall. Put the fiber in, watch the key, tighten the collar on the FC connector. Laser is installed. Then at the back end of the fiber, again the gasket for sealing against humidity goes into its channel. The bridge to hold the strain relief for the fiber, and the 2 screws to hold down the strain relief and to lock this in place. And that's as simple as it gets for the plug-and-play simplicity for the OBIS Beam Combiner. Alright, so as a final step now we reinstall the cover. Again, there's a gasket to seal against humidity, and the 6 screws will lock the cover in place, and then the installation is complete. So let's talk about the output of the OBIS Galaxy. So we call this the white output fiber. It will be all the laser beams combined into a single fiber. So the output of the Galaxy, again, is a fiber just like the other ones. It has a UFC connector on it, and all the beams will be focused into this fiber. It also has strain relief and humidity protection just like the inputs. So the white output fiber is, again, UFC at this end, and goes down a 2-meter length. And then for your application, the end of the fiber is what we call FC-APC. And so this is a angled connector, 8 degrees angle, and this is what you can then plug into your instrumentation or application. And just to show you some of the output colors from the fiber, there's choices. Again, you are using the OBIS Beam Combiner to actually add colors, subtract colors, or combine colors. So it could even be called a laser multiplexer in essence. You get to choose how many lasers you'd like to run, at what power, and at what time.